Introducing the Elzetta lighting system for ballistic shields. To fully appreciate the advantages Elzetta brings, take a look at the beam pattern produced by a Brand X shield light currently in service. You'll notice that the beam has all kinds of strange artifacts, different colorations, and an abrupt boundary between light and darkness. These things seriously jeopardize the efficiency of this lighting system. By contrast, the Elzetta shield light provides uniform illumination with a neutral beam tint. The light provides illumination that nearly uniformly lights up the entire room. The boundary between light and darkness cannot even be captured in the frame of this video. Why do these things matter? Let's take a look at a simulated stairway entry with the two lighting systems. Notice that the Brand X shield light, again, puts a highly discolored small circle of light on the wall. Searching for the suspect takes valuable seconds. Contrast that to the Elzetta shield light. Again, a neutral tint, uniform illumination, completely lights up the stairwell, letting that threat be spotted much sooner. And the difference is truly life and death. The Elzetta shield light,